Come, galinha. No? Hmm? She doesn't want. I got this one. It's a travel for dogs, like a travel mug. You can bring the water inside, back again. So good, you see? And then you like lock it. And then the bottom part is for food. Chegamos. We are here. So they gave me an occupied sign so I can put here in my campsite number. It's a post. So that is us, number 10 occupied. Penny, come. Psst, psst, psst. Vem. Penny is exploring. But it's very wild. I really like it. I think we are going to have a lot of fun. I think I will post the way coming here. I think I will post in a separate video because otherwise it will be too much montage together. I'm not sure. Let's see how it goes. But basically that's it. I don't think I will have a fire by myself. I'm not sure because I don't have what's necessary to have a fire. I don't have a wood. Well, I don't have anything to actually make the fire, so probably we will not have a fire. And we're going to sleep in the car, so it doesn't really matter. Would be nice to have a fire, huh? I could have, brought stuff, but it's okay. For the first time we are not so bad. I think the altitude here, like it's different, so my ears are bothering me. That's, I think, my rain. Very good, we're not in a tent. So my plan is actually was coming here first, doing the check-in, and then going to get a pizza and maybe a coffee or something. And I'm having this headache all day long, so I'll take a medicine as well, and then just let Penny walk a little bit because she was in the car all this time. So let's go, Vin. So we are going to find the pizza now. Hi guys, so as you saw in the title, that's a trip that I'm doing by myself, and I actually decided to come like north in the island to actually, you know, I'm new here, so I wanted to make sure I can see new things and see new places and kind of I don't know, it's so cool, right? Like it's so cool to know new places. So I kind of film a little bit coming in. I didn't really stop. I stopped twice for going to the washroom, and then the other one was to get something to eat, but it was like a hot dog stuff, and then I could recharge my battery because my battery died from the camera. And I'm taking care of Penny as well. So we left at 9:32 and we arrived here around 4:20 p.m. So it took us a long time, but then, as I said, I stopped twice, and I also don't speed, so I came in the limit. So it took us enough time because of that. And this trip is like really in a budget. So for renting the camping site, which is a provincial park, it's $37, and then I spend already 28 in gas, and now for my dinner I spend, I think with tips was $25. So it's pretty cheap, and I'm just staying the night. I will sleep in the car. I thought it was safer to sleep in the car instead of sleeping in a tent, since it's my first time camping right here by myself. Mine and just like Penny Lane, my companionship, so it's not pretty good. But I got the mattress, and you guys are seeing I record the small things, and it's just like an introduction to the video, because I don't think I actually did an introduction before. I think I just pick up the camera and like start recording right away. So I will let that go, and then you guys will see me around the day, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope we enjoy staying here too, because I'm very excited for our first night sleep in a car. Our night was comfy, na Penny? I will turn this a little bit down. It's 11 degrees. Oh, sorry. So Penny thinks it's comfy. Did you like it? She wants some food now. Was super good to sleep there. I really like it. Was very comfy, way better than a tent for sure. And it's 11 degrees, so it was good that I brought this second blanket. We end up using it. I think I put around maybe 4 or 5 a.m. the second one, which probably was the coldest that I felt. But I didn't sleep with my hood and my PJs. I just slept like with shorts, so that might be as well the reason. But yeah, I really like it, and I hope you guys like this vlog as well. So I don't know, but I'm really enjoying like this camping by myself thing. I think I will do that more frequently. I like it very much. I think I'll do more like a one extra loop in the campsite so you guys can see, and then we are heading home because we have 6 hours driving back home. So, and let's go. I really like it. Like, I'm impressed. I thought I would like it, but I actually love it. Oh my god. I think I still have some time before the snow comes, hopefully. But even if the snow comes, right, inside the car is fine, hopefully. Don't know. So, we are going, and you guys will see a little bit of our way back home, probably. But see you next time, guys. Hope you enjoy. If you like this more, then maybe I do more travel vlogs like that, or travel by myself type of thing, because we'll be me and Penny for a while. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you.